Okay, I know what's doing, guys. This is storm vlog. This is day one of the storm, massive storm that's coming our way. It'll be the remnants of Hurricane Debbie. See, right now, it may look like it's just a nice sunny day, but there's really a massive storm around the corner. The storm should be arriving here by later on tonight. We'll have another update on this. This is day one, daytime. This is the afternoon, daytime update, and then we'll have a nighttime update. Tomorrow we'll have a day update and a nighttime update. And I think we'll have an aftermath update. So bye.